In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted notes on iPhone. So if you had a note and you accidentally deleted it and you just don't know how to recover it, here's what you need to do. You need to open up your notes, and for the sake of it, let's just create a new note. And if I delete it, as you can see, the note is now nowhere to be found. But what you can do is click on the folders on the top left, click on the folders, and then go to recently deleted. And here you will see all of your deleted notes. If you want to recover it, just swipe from right to the left and then click on this file and just say where do you want it to move it, and that's basically it. That's how you recover it and move it to wherever you want it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.